Next, I want to show you a new tab. So over here, we started with the basics, and 1, 2, 3, 4 over is the HSL Adjustments, and that is hue, saturation, and luminance. Hue is the color. You could change the color if we were on the hue from, let's say, orange to more of a red or to a yellower. On the yellows, orange to a green. So it gives you an indicator as to what you're doing here. Saturation is the intensity of the color, so you can add more saturation and make it more intense, or pull saturation out and make it look less intense. And then luminance is the lightness and darkness of these different colors. I thought it'd be fun to look at this image as well. As far as the blues go, on luminance, remember that's lightness and darkness, I'm going to pull the blue down, and you can see what's happening to the sky when I do that. I think it looks a little bit more natural. I can come over here to saturation and also pull a little bit of the saturation out. That's looking pretty good. One thing I want to show you while we're here, back in the tools, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over is the targeted adjustment tool. With the targeted adjustment tool, I can come in here and click on a color. So I'm clicking on this burgundy color, and as I slide it with the luminance, you can see it's pulling, actually I'm on saturation, it's pulling saturation out or making the saturation more intense. So you want to be careful there not to make it look really funky. Let's do saturate, or the luminance now. Same area. The cool thing about the targeted adjustment tool is I'm affecting the purples and the magentas, not just magenta or just purple. It's evaluating what I'm clicking on and making the sliders move together. Well, let's say you were just having a blast exploring this tool and you decided this just looks really bad. Well, how do you get out of it? Well, back over here to the HSL tab where it says default, just click on that and it takes you right out of all of the adjustments that you've made. So nice and simple. One more time, I'm going to come in here, grab the targeted adjustment tool. I'm on the saturation. I'm going to pump up the saturation a little bit more there in that magenta. And I think I'm going to go over here to the sky area again. I'm in luminance now, and I'm going to darken it down a little bit. And same with the saturation. I'm going to pull a little bit of saturation out. Looking good. I'm done with this.